Eco UNESCO's Young Environmentalist Awards is an All-Ireland competition that celebrates the works of young people aged 10 to 18 who take environmental action.
This isn't just a competition, it's about young people coming together and inspiring change.
The Young Environmentalist Awards gives us a platform to speak out, be heard and take action on the environmental issues that matter to us.
Whether you're in school, in a youth group or even just with friends, if you're passionate about the environment, Young Environmentalist Awards are for you.
The Young Environmentalist Awards, or YEA, runs from September to May. First, groups register their projects. From energy to biodiversity to eco art and design, there are lots of award categories to choose from.
Shortlisted projects are invited to the EcoDen semi-finals, where groups pitch their projects to a panel of judges. They are held across all 4 provinces and online.
To wrap up the programme, YEA finalists from across Ireland come together to celebrate their work, share ideas and get recognition at the showcase and award ceremony.
Eco UNESCO supports you every step of the way with the 6 Steps to Success manual, online training and resources for both young people and mentors.